In this video I will show you how to get more stone in ICARUS. So there are 3 talents which you can unlock to get more stone. I'm gonna show you each one. So if you open talents and in the survival category, the first one is this Rockstar. So you have 3 levels of this talent, and the third one is giving you 20% yield bonus from mining stone. So this is a really good one. And the second one is waste not. So this one is giving you chance to find additional stone while mining. And the third one is lucky strike. This is the best one, so I'm gonna upgrade it right now. And this is 1% to instantly break mineral or ore deposits while mining. So once you have this, you can try it. I found this big rock on start. So this is where I started the game, and this rock was spawned here. So I'm gonna try to take it down at So as you can see, I was lucky. It took like 20 hits to get the 1% lucky strike, and I got from it like 1000 stones. So I'm overweight. This is how you can get more stone in ICARUS. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.